My name is Helga, and I'm married to the Crayon Eater Keith for 25 years now.
Yeah, I've been eating crayons for 20 years now. I mean, red and green are my favorite. Blue. Anyways.
The crayon eating, the side effect it causes is tons and tons of diarrhea every day. And sometimes vomiting, but mostly just diarrhea every day.
Helga! Helga! Could you give me a rat toilet? Could you give me the dog? Helga!
What's it like being on the toilet for half my day? I'll tell you what, it's heaven at its finest. My wife is scared of me. No, she ain't. She a grown whole woman. She ain't scared of nobody. Where are the crayons? Where are the crayons? Over there.
He says he's a great father for Dante and that he's aspiring him to be Bill Gates. But I disagree heavily so much.
Why are you crying like a baby for? What are you, a baby? My son Dante, he's a wonderful son. I am the best dad for my son, I swear.
Oh, Dad! It's okay, baby, it's okay. No worries. It's soon enough I have a dad.
You know, my son Dante, I know he's just 2 months old, but god darn, ain't he always taking those crayons for himself. Come on, he won't even share any with his pops. What kind of child is that?
It's okay, Dante. It's gonna be all okay. Can you please stop crying? It's from my ears. It'll be okay, though.
Yeah, I'm actually the real man of the house. You know, my father, he's still eating crayons like a wuss. Because he can't handle, you know, living. And my mom's really nice. But yeah, you really shouldn't eat crayons. Because you know the old saying, eating crayons, eating drugs, same thing.